Welcome. Today we're going to take a look at how to create a job seeker profile on ifashion.co.za. Okay, once we're logged in, we are going to go to the job section, click on create job seeker profile, and the first page we will see is the add new resume. Now there's a couple of tabs. Every tab represents a piece of data that we need to capture about your job history and who you are. This makes it easier for employers to get a good overview of who you are, what you've done in the past when considering you for a position. Now in the general tab we will give basic information like our resume title, when we can start with future jobs, are you currently available, and then we'll move over into your personal details. Over here we'll capture stuff like your full name, your date of birth, all your contact details, affirmative action, your gender, and also your nationality. You'll notice through this video that we are entering all the fields. This is basically the similar process that you will be going through, where we are creating a new job seeker profile from scratch, and once we've completed this data is set. We don't need to go and change it a lot unless your personal details change in the future. Under the skills tab we will be putting in general information like, do we have a driver's license, what current skills do you have, how competent are you in those skill sets, and then how long have you been mastering the skill. Under the education tab we will be providing some information on where did we go to high school, what courses we took, which city, country, the status. Now the status is very important. Are you still currently taking part in the course, or have you graduated, and when did you complete this course? You will also be able to tell future employers about what languages you currently master, and we've given you the option to load up to 4 languages, where language 1 would normally be your mother tongue, and language 2 and 3 and 4 any additional languages that you can read, write, and understand. Under the employment tab you will be able to provide us with data like your desired yearly salary, what job type are you looking for, is it part-time, is it permanent, and then very important, you will be able to provide information of your most recent employers. Now this is always very good for potential employers because they would like to see who you worked for, maybe follow up with them, just find out a bit more about you when considering you for a position. So the more detail you provide here, the better it could be for you in the future with applications. The text resume is basically a field where you can just create a cover letter of your introduction to future employees. And we also provide you with an option to go and block certain companies from viewing your profile. Now we need to upload our CV in a doc or PDF format. Now when you click on the Choose File button, it will open up a window that allows you to browse and explore files on your computer, where you can navigate to where you've saved your CV, and once we've uploaded it, it will tell us that it has been stored, and now we can go and add our new resume. Once this has been uploaded, it will take us back to our profile page. Now in the profile page section, we've got a variety of tools. We can always go back and edit the resume that we've just created. We can completely delete it, we can view it, and then we've got additional tools like which jobs did you apply for, cover letters that you'd like to include, your resume files, and so forth. To apply for a job is very simple once all of this has been done. You go to the job section and you can basically go and view for all the available jobs. In this example, I'm going to apply for a senior footwear technologist in Cape Town. At the top and at the bottom of the job listing, you have apply for this job buttons. So this is a very simple process. Click on the button. It will take us to the next page where we can include our cover letter if we did upload one. Alternatively, we can provide our own cover letter. And then at the bottom, we will need to select a resume that we've already created. You can create multiple ones. We've created one just now, and I'm just going to load Joe Public CV now. And there we go. I've applied for my job, and the employer will be notified.